Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions video. Today is our last assignment of the unit, which means tomorrow will be a review day. Get your notebooks in order, maybe watch some crash course videos if you haven't yet, trying to get yourself kind of the cherry on top of the knowledge here. We should have everything we will be on the quiz has already been covered, minus today's stuff. Okay? So for today, we're doing a deep dive look into the Constitution. We're going to look at it article by article, very specific questions, very specific answers. Okay? This may take a little bit longer if you can't find the answers right away. But don't get discouraged. A lot of this stuff is it's there. It just may be a little bit harder to find. So here's what the assignment is today. We're just going to be looking at the Constitution itself and going through this worksheet right here. So here's the worksheet. Again, we're going through it article by article. I'll kind of give you guys a clue here. For this one, for you guys at home, just for number 13, just put down which one it is. So for like sign a peace treaty, if you think it's delegated powers, just put number 13, delegated powers, or number 13, concurrent powers, or number 13, reserved powers, whatever you want to put. The kids in class will just be kind of filling in these boxes with the numbers, but you at home can just put down which one you think it is for these, okay? And then Article 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on and so forth. So we got 36 questions we're looking at here. And again, it goes by article by article. So when we're looking over here, as we can see, Article 1 starts right there. Article 1. So we'll just read through it, fill in the answers as we go. And so once Article 1's a little bit longer. And don't be afraid to look over here on the side. Will give you a lot of hints, okay, the side stuff. So we go through Article 1, a little bit longer of an article, obviously. It's a pretty important one. And then we start to kind of ease our way in to Article 2. So, and again, it's over here on the side to kind of help you out. This is kind of like a summary of what it is over here. So Article 2, then we'll move on and answer the Article 2 questions, and then so on to Article 3. So you guys kind of get the gist. So you're kind of just filling in this sheet as you kind of scan through, and all the answers are right here. This is the actual Constitution. This is just from our textbook. So, yep, just go through the article here, or go through the Constitution article by article. Like I said, this is an extremely specific deep dive. We're looking for specific answers, and you can kind of see. And it's important, right? This is what our government structure is based on. This is kind of the rule book for our government. All right, so here's like the basis of it, the foundation of you know, American government is right here in this document that was written during the New Republic era. All right, so go through it, answer the questions, try your best. I know some of them may be hard to find, but they are there. I guarantee it. All right, and then just submit it back on Google Classroom when you are done. You're probably not going to be able. Well, you're not going to be able to make a copy of this, so you're just going to have to use a Google Doc, or you can do a piece of paper and just take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom. Many different ways. But yeah, that's the assignment today. Tomorrow, I'll put some review material up for you guys, some just kind of extra stuff that you want to watch or read. But a lot of it's just making sure we get our notes in order. We can use our notes on the quiz, so that'd be nice. The quiz is already made. It's like 25 questions, multiple choice. Each one's worth 2, so it'll be 50 points total. All right? And it'll be online. So I'll post it up there. And you'll be able to get your results back. Once you click submit your answers, you'll get a score back immediately, so you'll know what you got before you head off into the weekend. All right, guys, have a good one, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.